Hi, welcome to Responsive Theme Tutorials. In this video, we'll learn how to customize the WordPress page layout for your website. If you're looking for blog layout tutorial, check out the link in the description box below. Let's customize the page layout. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Open any page you want to edit and click on Customize. For demonstration, we will be editing the default sample page. Go to the Page section and click on Page Layout. Responsive provides three sidebar position options. Right sidebar, this is default layout. It shows sidebar on the right side of the main content. Second is left sidebar. It will show sidebar to the left of main content. And the last is no sidebar. It will stretch the main content to full width. Before we change the page element position, let's add featured image for demonstration. Using post element, you can rearrange the elements of the page. For example, if you want to show the featured image before your page title, you can configure it with simple drag and drop. And the last configuration allows you to set the position of your page title. You can either set it to the left, which is default, center, or right. Once you are done making changes, click Publish to save. And with that, you have successfully customized your page layout. Thanks for watching. Try out this feature today and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.